So hello guys, in this video we will discuss about how to create a bootable pen drive. So as you can see, I have inserted my pen drive. So here SanDisk is my pen drive having 64 GB where it is showing 57.8 GB. So here you can see that I have a pen drive, I have a bootable flash drive I have installed. It is a plain flash drive that I want to make it bootable, and after that I want to install it on Windows 10. So now you can see that I have downloaded my Windows 10. So how to download Windows 10, genuine Windows 10, in my previous video I have told you. So if you have not gone through that, you can go through and you can see in my previous video I have downloaded the ISO file. Now this is the Refuse is a software and you need to download it from Google. You just search Refuse and download and you will get that. So this is my Refuse software. Now in this software I have downloaded ISO file of Windows 10. Now select the ISO file, Windows 10 ISO, then press OK. So onto the top device you can see this is my SanDisk device I have choose. Now ISO I have choose my Windows 10. Now two kind of partition seam, GPT and MBR will be there according to your requirement. According to your previous hard disk you can choose any one. Now this is my format option. Here you can change some more. So now I am changing the volume level to Windows 10, so that if you insert your flash drive, insert your pen drive into the computer, it will show that it is Windows 10 flash drive. Now you press start. Here it is saying all data in this drive will be removed. Press OK. Now deleted. Now cleaning this. Now after the cleaning it will copy the ISO file, and in the copy format it will make the ISO file bootable. So when you put your flash drive or pen drive into your PC, you restart your PC, and then Windows 10 that is present inside the flash drive or pen drive will automatically install. So here in this purpose what you can do, if you have a Windows 7, if you have a Windows 8.1, you can upgrade it to Windows 10 genuine, completely free, which can be updatable. Now if your Windows has been crashed, your system is not running, here also you can insert this pen drive while you do the restart, and Windows 10 will automatically install. Okay, this is the purpose of making our bootable flash drive or pen drive. So let it complete. Now as you can, it is getting completed gradually. So after it completes, you can remove the flash drive from this and you can put the flash drive. You just restart your PC, or if you want to do it on another PC, just insert and turn on the PC and your bootable pen drive will work. Your bootable, here you can see the file. Okay, so here file you can see your bootable pen drive will work and automatically Windows 10 will install. If you liked this video, why don't you check out my other videos on my YouTube channel.